Alright guys, adding to the products that we should avoid, same there are categories that we should avoid. And which are those categories? Those categories are named as gated category, right? So let's read out what's written here. A gated category is a category that has required Amazon's approval for sale. Amazon might require performance checks, additional fees, and other qualifications for certain products and categories. And what are the gated categories? So automotive, baby, health and household, beauty, toys and games, industrial and scientific, electronics. So we should avoid these categories. Let me explain it. In gated categories, Amazon initially for new sellers, as per my experience, Amazon will not allow the new sellers to list any product in a gated category, right? So you should check it before you list and you source any product from China and you manufacture it, that it is not falling in a gated category. And I have made a video already that how you can check that in which category this specific product is falling. You can check your competitor category and take a guess and overview for the products category. And Amazon will not allow the new sellers. Yeah, if you are experienced seller, then you can go in gated categories, and there are big opportunities in gated categories for you to get sales and to generate a big income. But in the start, you should avoid gated categories because Amazon will require certificates for that. As if you are listing in toys and games, so Amazon will ask for, in Europe, Amazon will ask for what is that called? Certificate, declaration of conformity, and CE marking, and so many other things. So that's why you should avoid in the start gated categories.